Here's how to add Deadline Funnel to your website. To begin, you'll need to add Deadline Funnel's tracking code to the header section of your website or landing page. The method for this may vary depending on your website platform. And for this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to add your tracking code to Kajabi. You can also visit docs.deadlinefunnel.com to find detailed guides on adding the tracking code to several other website and landing page platforms, such as Leadpages, ClickFunnels, and WordPress. It will be helpful to have Deadline Funnel open in one browser tab and your platform open on another so you can quickly switch back and forth. We'll start by navigating to tracking code at the top of the page and copying the code. Now I'll switch over to my Kajabi account and click on the settings in the bottom left. In Settings, click Site Details. From here, scroll down to Page Scripts and paste the tracking code into the Header Page Scripts field. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Now you need to copy the URL of the page where you want your deadline funnel to show up so we can add it to your deadline funnel campaign. In Kajabi, navigate to Website and then Pages. Find your landing page or pipeline page and click on the ellipses. Select Copy URL from the drop-down menu and then head back to your Deadline Funnel tab. Now we need to add this to a campaign, so I'll quickly build a simple sales page countdown timer campaign. When you get to the fourth step of the campaign workflow, you'll paste your Kajabi page URL into this page field. If you want to redirect people to another page once the offer expires, you'll need to copy and paste in that landing page URL as well. Otherwise, you can simply leave this field blank and the deadline funnel timer will disappear after the countdown. Next, click Finish. Now let's preview the page to make sure it's working. As you can see, the timer is shown below and it's working as expected. If your timer is not displaying properly, you could head back to Deadline Funnel and test it by either selecting the campaign you are working on or going up to Campaigns and selecting Edit Campaign from the drop-down menu. Next, head over to Testing and click it. Click on Clear Tracking to reset the countdown timer. Now head back to your page and refresh it. If that doesn't work, head back to your Deadline Funnel campaign and check your Pages tab and make sure that you added the correct page URL to the campaign. Select Edit Settings and check the URL. If you need to, go back to your page, copy the URL from the address bar, and repaste it into the When Someone Lands on This Page field, and click Save. You should see a green check mark here showing you that the timer has properly been set up. Head back to your sales page, refresh the page, and check it out. If that doesn't work, you can also check your settings to make sure you properly pasted your tracking code. Let's go back to Deadline Funnel, click on Tracking Code, and recopy this code. We're going to add it back into the Header Page Scripts field. Scroll to the bottom and click Save. Again, you'll want to refresh this page. If you want to make adjustments to the look of your timer, head back to Deadline Funnel and click on Appearance. Here you should see a preview of your Deadline Funnel on your current page. You can change from a floating bar to an inline timer, an email timer, or portal. You can also change the overall appearance, such as the style of the timer, the placement of the timer, the copy in your timer, as well as the call to action button copy. In the settings section, you could change the duration of your deadline funnel, as well as the time zone and your deadline format. If you have any questions, please contact us at help@deadlinefunnel.com or via the chat feature on our website. You can also view some of our current docs and videos at docs.deadlinefunnel.com.